What's up, guys? I'm going to show you how to use some Aquamira to get some water in the backcountry. This stuff is awesome to make sure any water is safe to drink and you don't get sick. So you're just going to open your package. You're going to see it comes in two parts. Part A and Part B, and they make it nice and simple for you. Part B usually has the container that you're going to do the mixing on, so you just go ahead and take that. Then you want to find yourself a nice flat place, like this beautiful rock right here. You take Part A, and you're going to take 7 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Close that up. 7 drops of Part B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. You let that sit for about 5 minutes. There's a visual cue in this that's going to turn yellow when it's ready to use. While that is changing colors, you should go get some water. The best place to grab some water is where you see white water. That is where it's going to be pre-filtered for you. It's going to be the most delicious and least likely to have any bacteria or any bits of material in it. I'll show you the next step in a second. So our mix is nice and yellow. I've grabbed my 1 liter of water from the stream. It's important to try and not grab too much more than a liter if you're doing 7 drops, as that's the proven point of where it works. And all we're gonna do is dump it into our water. I like to just wash off the cap, make sure I get all the good stuff, make sure my water's nice and clean, and then we're just gonna let our water sit 15 minutes before we use it. Just get a drink. That easy.